Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
They tell Yore, so Yore, I hear your matter. I hear your matter. Where? Because you thought the last video what you do, not be for one person, and for everybody. May they know say, I hear your matter. You understand? Me, I hear your matter. And what I talk. So no problem. You say you want go settle down. The question when me I want ask you now, the dogun now you want go settle down with. Abi you get another one. You get another Oyibo because I see say the way they take write the topic say one as the text is write that this thing just now. We are foreseeing. Because I know listen to the video finish. I don't listen to the video finish. So I don't know whether na Oyibo man you want go settle with abi na Edogun. You are Edogun, now you want go settle with I don't know. So oh, no, not be this one. I not can see am. Okay, I not see am again, Jerry. Okay, may I just go and not see am. You say whether you want go settle down with your Oyibo, you not get time for live video again. It good make you as sister say you want go sit down, go settle down with your Oyibo. You dey keep Oyibo, see they keep Igbo man. Now this one me they talk oh, you dey keep Edogun. Huh? Now this one they talk when I talk say you not pure oh. You not pure. Eh? Okay, that one that is the one where die. That one, na your husband. This one self is sit there for corner. Stand by, you bench this one, make this one they wait till the one go die. Then Edogun self sit there for another place. I give you nyash. Not behind I give you. I give you nyash. Nah. If boy you want go me, oh you want to do Edogun now? Huh? Edogun just can't do Shentra and go back. Now wow. Now what for you, Ojore? Although now your life now, no, you know how you want to rule your life. The reason why me they can't talk to you now, the way you tell the prognose to another person. Oh, if another person they do this kind of thing now, so you will come out, come they swear down investigate, come they swear salt and water for the person. Whereas your own nyash you open for grant. Waiting you they do now, it was past waiting other people they do. They carry a nika hotel, they cover face. You get one husband for corner. Edogun dead there, that one I see you forget say you tell everybody the whole world say you follow that one go Igbo land. Then they can't give am chieftaincy title, they can't they call him Igwe. Because now you be the only woman when stand by him that time. That is the reason why they can't give you, they call you Lolo Nkechi. So Nkechi. Abi. You don't forget say you tell the whole world like that. Now another one again. You when you talk say you be holy, you they do this one, now you clean pass, now you be the this and that oh. Now you be their satellite. You they keep two husband, two boyfriend that be with two boyfriend at the time. You they do Pogwenta for every day. For each one go follow today. The one will be say Pogwenta cash today. You go carry that one. You say now this one now you with a day. And after 2 weeks, after some months, you see do another Pogwenta. You see go another one again. Now of the recent Pogwenta when you catch that one now you won't come tell everybody say that one you can't do. Now you can't deal with now. You don't want Pogwenta tamulele go enter Igbo man. You go say na Igbo man now. Edogun. You say na Edogun. Huh? Maybe another one cross see dey for under nobody know. Now what for you? No, me that your matter not the yeah, me don't know you. Your matter not just dey worry me. Now all those people when they both where they follow you, now they make me they come to talk to you. Make them know the kind person when you be. You are not pure. You are not straightforward person. Eh? You are not straightforward person. Ask somebody when he call himself say he be you be the eyes of the gods because a nikao na gods na he be. Now you then sense say make you can't deliver people. That person go they keep two men at the same time. Go they do pogwenta every day by day. I tire for you. Oh. Eh? All the chief when you they carry come out, come they insult every time. They not do this kind of thing when you do. Oh. Uto tene gabi mamwe gbenugwe una. You come and dad they come they beg say I beg you may they help you beg our daddy o erima here fefe no gwe ni agwe imia o igu ho nu visit in Nigeria e ga no na ata gwe when you do be wo don ge awe ka we no re ba tiya ho ni ayo bo mu no enwo no kwa mani ge tiya ho ni ado yo bo ya mu no we wen umiamia na be ge ni gwe miamia ne we na enya ha do yo bo ya mu no enwe no ya gbegbe aga na Africa country. Ah, awe gogo biri hia muno ene ya munu viere gwaloa. So when we here settle down plan B we na here another thing there inside. Is because a matter when not pure. I hear your matter, but it's not pure. Plan B, another plan B because a reru weni numaya je school ni. Numaya je school ni. Eki wayo or voin. Because isongi kuru you wene isongi ni isongi wenge ibi yokoro yan wakaka bo pogi isongi nwa jalo gbogbo we odugbo no kwa be wega rege ni isongi ni okiyu erere ne so awe wayo we won we ja so le ladiana. It's too much for you. Who here be settle down? This one is not for one person. It's for everybody. Once you come out and announce where to hear settle down. If that is for your own business, if you like, you settle down. If you don't like, you not settle down. You not concern anybody. Oma kamarokba. O. Awe mani mere regboto. Ne mere re sa lokwane. Ilele we ni ma wa manuku o dame. O wa dame nui. O wa dame nui. Do here ya settle down. Unu here na ya settle down. Me wa ho we no joma ebe ya wukado da de girl. Edogun ni. No, on your back in a maybe go be a side. You salubua. Maybe we born now. My friend they boy say a boy saluba at the same time there. Here salubua. If you are not here, I tire for you. If you are not here, well, some the big again in Rupo. Baba na wabe miobe ba wa unata mai we una bench una wo ya stay sit down there. E wo adu asset zingbe o ina gele zingbe eje wona dogu. Then una keep it dioma as your husband because only wagba we marriage. No, we may marry self because you may go you on. Maybe that one now you won't do now. I make you define where you want to go. Where your partner we have to know so that only one day. Naga unu we again we na una we again una we so me agbeberi egwe. You go invitation ni uri any lawyer oibo nokpa e government enenemi umiamiane iho kojo degbera emo boba ko we Gaddafi do ko so we ga me emion pan we ga gwa lo so do wa wanti ego we ja anyi gbunyu we ga anyi begeni awo boya ni ro wa fefe urobie hia mwe hia robie ohama moriri mamu na afinu gite tene gia bi my whole personal person there your nyante that down anytime you are dia uja te una gbogbo isemila ihia isemi ogwe nunu gbe isemila ni iga ise ije go ebe na ti ebe amiemie ehe ya ahion we ya ba miemie ma e papa ni ati e ba miemie ehe ya ahion we iya ya ahion ye be sans pepa iya hien oi bolo inya ederio ni igwa ge hida wa okwe en go kpia na geto ehran no zeli gada bono to te na gabi ehran no zeli gada bono okwe en ga boy sore mana okwo na mazeden na woke no problem yeah kwa monitor we no gbogbo isemila no do you know ete pere live video I'm here beni gba be kimi na repani gba be bege na woke no problem I must find fault in anything. Really, I must find a fault of pani ariela tiabo. Tiny, bet me. Anything really latia. I must find fault and a fault in the latia. No, we were here to tie our mother now. We here to tie from la video. Lelegate. I wa I'm not a comma. Wage ko vono we go no collect will be who can have where we Plan B, ya seti. Okay, we are setting now. Hand back to Tamia. Eriera bi je gui. Nuwe na ka wera bi je ero bigbo. Ero edogun. Keki jo dogun ya mare webo. Ihe re webo say na suspect ewe ebo no. Era bi je re webo because wule le gari ebu ya begeni. Era bi je na ga tuo we. Also because oge bugbe nuwe who will believe. I don't believe you. Imagine weji. Imagine weji because we no tabe na ho tobe he. No abe tabe bi akwe. Obe o he be tabe gbono de. Imagine weji workpa unwe na otu ogbe yogbere every time unwe ga gbe yogbere unwe dorishi re dere no ga robi ohian e benu egbe mi ne dorishi keke ko ewu man we ma ka wu weke ma na pade ticket bokpi awodo no pe yin na gele gbu obo kewu ewu ma gbe keke no bi e unwe bo wa gi emu bokpi ani inonwe inu ebo wegi emogbo ani instead say na te ume nwa instead won ya la je ndo tami egbe conditioner no ko na je na ka bi aro ni emi na he si ante tabe derio because derio ni network me mama na wa mu na igba fie so ma ke be ya tele mi no ro won nufu enu ate wa ko wa la je egbe conditioner me ka be wene ika be we gbe we ya na gbera ni ọma ikeke ema no be no gide we iho nu ibu e udina uwe ema be no gide iho nu gu bu udina ma iho no ni ema ga we gbe kibe ni ana gbe mi we wa ta be deri oni iya we video story aro nu be ya ha we do reach this and that to bet ni me mi e bo u ga ate bo ni we ja ni yes get this and that ma e bo ni ma keke no ate because ure ba ni ga ni ya we ya ya make agreement egbe mi no po ni oye don reach ya kawa nobody know nobody know nobody know him no soon between them so me say ti bohin ba ni the only thing I will always say well oh man okwo me my advice because me say ti do gbe kiri oni kiri me say ti do me gbe no ma ga do ani be po bojo bo ma be do odo na ta ma gbe mi na no wu na go ma e ma o ma hon ye kokuan gberai e go me ofo ni gbe me anu wari o ma re o mo wari ere o ma poru no sugbo we wa mwebo wa ameni we yate boni wa usalobo no Germany wa usalobo no Germany you dey take your time oh I hear your matter ya go and marry egese ya won do ihe aka ni awon to tai ba wa be like live video wa be to tai ba throughout your life no problem wo ro pa be de no be do ku we yin well who here be la wow nobody no be do ya stay well at yan we akati well at don't to call like o ka like una awe ni a una awe jore awa for you ma be mi edegbe omunya ko ikolo ne jore muladian degbe no muladian be na o yan muladian gbonode o muladian gbede no pa o yan muladian no pa o yan ge be ja won modo no yan ka na si ne wa ja won modo ene na hiaro we ko kedori ado gwale be no aya we marriage e bugwa o se una gwale una badu afie gusa tigi like ejore ego eki opa no ro nu wa gun eri grow no we na begging na no we na begging ni e wajo wa we be ba no wa beg ona study e wajo e kino gira kun na oge no gira kun no ga talk pa be no ta be na o ga ta ba ko no ta ba akwa o ga ta bi yakwe no ga ta bi yakwe nu po no dia wa be so wa be mo be re ka we ge ni ka ta o ge be ni ya sun no stand by it no le lu vien ni here o wa be ge no ma be favor yo wa be la him o wo ke ni kwa je na no oge na ni ka ta de ma be favor yin ke be mo be la tin ana ba be no ya mo la tan eri abe gullible followers yan ni mere re gboto ni lele hian eri yan wa be ya lele yan wa be abi hun bi go wa be lele hian yan wa lele hian o wa be gbera go bo ni egbe fanta wa be no iyan yan wa be gbe mata wa be no ọmọ no tota no gele me wan o na tota e me he fe nu gweta ni o yen tota yen gele reason okay ge me no ta be no de eri o ka e be no wi eri o ta ba vana no we ta no he be ta butana ne wa uwa yo de mo e kugbe e me he fe be no ja ri wa de kede ni ade do e te mo pa no we me na pa e wa ta kede ni ade do o e te mo pa e mu gugan every time ya change me here every time eri yan gboji ohun ori o dede pa no me ti pele be gboji ohun o ase po gboji ohun ona wi yen ga e po ma wa ku o ibe ke ba be pa ijani jesige o ma ese gbijani jesige o weri yen wa ri mi na o pe opa na wa hu yen de gbigbigbigbigbigbigbigbi yen na tule mu hian yen ke ni wa do legbi no ma me ke no wi legbi na wi gba legbi na ogwe no pe na gwe ni hu ni e ke we nu ya deliver ibi e bo we uma ho nu ja we yen ge wo hu we ba nu na wa ha yori o do ya so salt and water ministry before that time we didn't know salt and water ministry no o ma be pe ba ni na wa ta na na ma se 2 months no wa ya fi ba we ya me no vada atamu fefe o wi jani yesige no o ijani yesige gi ohun o ijani yesige gi ohun o ijani yesige we ni edo dole dojo we ni edo mi bi edo fon o ba bo o ere nene mi o o hanye lala o ani go o wa ya fefe ijoro pa o bia no okwo no ki jo gwo bo ni ojo gwo bo ni o sa mo bo ni yakwe o lo ri e ba o bo ri o wan yo ri e be awo bo o bo ni o ri se we bo na ni o ya we ne ba gbalu mama gbon lerun we fefe ne be wo gwo bo Nigeria ke do pa o ri se we bo na ni o gwe e o go bo ri yo iga bo ri yo ige awo bo o ke ma na ifinu gi awo bo iti e bo gi awo bo o ma ni ese no ma ni o ga we se no po ga we se no ku ese o ga pe ba so ese o ga pe ba fun igo ma ni o ma no ri joko bo ne bo gwa o ku e ne ba ogwo bo o ri anyo bebe ne bo gwo bo o lerun ne be ba ni o ri se we bo no we o bo ri ma o eri an wo no pa o do afinu gi obo e no ki o ga we se no po we se no ku ese o ga gbege no ku ese o ga gbege no ku because o bo ni we na lerun most of wa ya fefe no gi do lo ale le na bo ma wa ya fefe uwa ya van shigidi uwa van yelala uwa ri ebeba uwa lerun ba uwa gwalu mama gun uwa gwalu tu gwa be ba ni fo wa kedu po wa lerun we ba ni wa de we bonu wa do gbe bomi e o ko wa ri se we bonu ni wa ri fi ogbe fa yo to na we bonu wa we ke ni wa ke pa ni ge gi yo i ge gi ma uwa ki ke ma na fi bu pe gi yan o salobu akeke o to nu wa fi ogbe jo hian no wa o salobu akeke o to nu wa fi ogbe jo hian no wa o hian no wa we awu yin me nu wa yin ni we nu wa we when we ya preach against eken wa ke pa e ba e amen wa won wa ke pa yo kware when we ya preach against wa gi la we bone we do ni ri o de be to de ni on oru pa nu wa ya lo de ni wa ya se wa na o salobo wa ku wa ke ko o salobo ke ko to nu wa fi we yo ku wa o ga no wa one day o no wa o ga no wa when we ya preach wona igwe o oni ma awo bo ma and wa ya no do wa gbado ate wa obo ma ni ogo bonu wa jo before wa kepa e ba nu wa na ya ve ba bi ni amuno re we no do pe e ba na ru wa bi wa na ya jigwe ya gbigwe ya imi gwe ku wa ke hia wa na ya ve po bi ba nu wa kepa wa nu wa na ri e be wa na ri e nwa nyo we ya wa ise ba na ni wa we yo ba do emi ya ga lobu wa ba kwe na wa kwe azen wo so Ugwo kwano diko gweno li yoko wera gbera igo osinu jeje gbo ma egbe mi danu wa we wa yu ngwata olokugwa. You people are sanka swine. Eri jore yata o ogwe jani yesi ge no. Eri jani yesi ge ogigi hu o. Ogwe ne endo mi abo fa o. Mota no o. Ide no popo no o. Ona we ni ga print a picture la jen wa ga fi you wa me wa ya we. Wa zo me wu mejo. Wa ga ka we. Iye ma gwenu wa ri gore o. Wa ya hu ne we 2 o'clock ibasan. Wa ma ka we iye be jore o. God of Ijore o. Iye ma gwenu wa ri gore o. So far wa re wa do give a testimony. When we no soon when we ya help wa do give a testimony. Abe God you for us na we mata no. Na gele suwe. Na ya pe pichi jani yesigie. Bele ya via yu wa me, zame zuwe yu wa me. Ya hobe wo giaso. Ai ge eso gi do ala diabo. Erie mo ki sala diabo hian o. Erie ki evele kwa wo hian o. Erie machine gun do ala diabo hian o. Yen wa ri mina. Me ma me na be do be mina. Mina me be mina be do ya give a testimony. Ma me bi oni de egbo wa na mi. Erie machine gun, erie hair dryer ya ga we hair dryer. Erie we baro ga akara kwa wo hian o. What's the do we? Imina na here be testimony. I work on here okay imina. Yike. Maybe imina we do I do ya give a testimony be. Maybe me oge gbo here now. Ona so atalo ina ga talo tata toto. Different one. Na e kwa adam ehuwa. Na adam ehuwa. O ke wa ni pa meri ge wisa. Kwa do azigi sa. Eyan na so do azigi sa. Omagi miehe obe lare ona we ni ado azigisa abe t-shirt be abe bati ege a picture no ga pe fionia oyo kaya so ke ba po we ni ado azigisa yen ga azigisa re oya deliga idele inya owi ya fio nu ya budun laka oya fio gian ogwe yen ni joro fio igian omaka we ti emi biere go be dian e me so ro no ware 1,000 euro oru opopo every month nozo eriene no kpi abe machon obe machon mwe machon hewe paradise omu hewe igo nu gwemie unuma enwe jesu nu ya me igo rere ni oba seki mi egbe go nu gwemie me wa e mani wa pay 1,000 nu gwe ni wa pay 1,000 each person igo nu gwemie be salt and water ni oba seki mi governor ni Wada tayari wa beneno wa hondia benapa unu ohon le so wonu ma awo wanu we hin beni meje me wa gba we iwa ime wa gba we ima esike we obeti gba we me ni jagun beni jawu tell me kede ni ade me ko iwe ko ari iri ya be page na me go eri oto na so time eri ote no pa so time eri ota ebe ga ni gbe yen le lo bi gbari o wa yen na mo ge no bi gbe na do ati igwe from there yen na me runda yon pa ugbo bo kan ya yon pa o mane no se ti be mu diake no leleri yen na me do mo ge ni yen na ga tin ekechi lolo ekechi eruta be ge ni oge ke gi bere be deri on iga te igwe na me palace o wa na be do la jo na we wa ga gi ti igwe o me ni nera bi je mu ne o de ba iti e oni na doju ri ede do ya o yin no ya ita ona igwe nyo edogun uno e ba be te me ne bi gbo wa be ti edogun ya gba bi omo he edogun we no mu ahia ona wi yo edogun ona uri edo ya o e o wa ya ge video na uri ede ya o e na do o na mu Chukudi na maybe Chukudi ati era mu ne what is your name? My name is Chukudi me uri ede ga ti o de una won mu gba nu no e rokedo o emi no ya ta we ma mu gba nu ga no tell them your name na me give you igwe before so which means me we wata ni keder your ade oge wa anu we na we ige tin ya mu chief ne be we wa be le gba be ya hian won be go oge mu tabi ba eme ya fe nu we tabu nu ta lo la ja wu nu we eme ya go we gon me o be ni me ya go we gon gbera eme nu ta Vai temena la tengo ke eruwe tonona. Owe tobe ba kwebe go ke eruwe ta eri fe ko ya lele wede. Cause e mata ru onu uwe kuhia pa ni uhe ya omodo. I'm fine. Mi aseti e me bi no de wodo. I were ihe gwa jo moju o me na we no rere. Ya te we rere o. Ihe aka ma we no rere. Ahia o. Ya nye ba ni o. So far ware ba ni afinunu eke ba ni finunu ge wa roporopo wa ke ba finunu re. Iwa re ma na stand by. Iya, a generator gi me off. Ije me ede de off a generator gi me off. Ina nwa. Maybe I'm very busy. Iwa busy iwa be ri mi na iwa me mi iwa be wu. Eti ma he menuta, eti ma bege menuta. A generator gi me de off ye. Wait 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock in Rason. Every day, 12 o'clock, 12, 1 o'clock, me hearing. In the ball of year, maybe lobby at 10 or 11 o'clock. 2 hours, me yabi. 2 o'clock, you hearing. If I have any prayer, anything in here, I will see 4 or 5. Yabi. Maybe 1 hour, 7 or 7:30 to make back. And then when we were waiting in Nagijimina, I na here at 5 o'clock, I hear at 5 o'clock, you give ye. So you do prepare, you do prepare any hair. And then you win at 7 year hearing. Yeah, we have 5 in your here with 7 or 7:30. So my generator is standby. Every off ye, if we cable. Oh, standby one. No. Every atota ye, I don't know where you to Yatota, I don't go any so if I go boo or dinner. We are to tie one okay, one be so well at the end. Now you are lay so well at the end because where when to total 7 vanilla, man, I went here with Yamu where you yake. Now it's left for you and your followers. Only bet una ya lay, Vani, Eke, Vani so well at the end. Una ya lay, so well at the end. Me worry mana 24 hours, you know. You worry mana. Yeah, damn heaven. Why? Because edeni menya ete da edeni weru edeni ufi gi utote na gi abu ufi nu gi utote na gi abu because me isoke o omo no hono o ma ite bo ne ri me bi me ya gwe wose gbe mere what cause that ofi nu gi ra me bi jeme ofi nu gi e keke arerun de wanti iya gwe wose bi jeme o o ma fi nu gi jeme ofi nu gbo nu pa mi sika kwera ni ime ya ababe no kike eke ni na mio ima na la dia physically ni we ni gwegni na ni dai sagin awe koko no e catapult ime o ni mi iya efi egbe ime so we we mi no be balo ni ya gwe wo se mega we 11 ina gi we ne 11 daga gi boye daga ikubege na kedu aku Mema na ebe mi opa ni me we no be devil nyo iseti gweku iseti gwe wose is okay you understand tete na gabi is my personal person o ha ma mo riri ma mo ma say you're not here kwa na afi nu gie that time you are second swing no problem eba ni wa be tyson now o ma o oya kojo Steve kojo Odani aje mai mi ode go beba o Okay now bye bye we are water atamu fefe we are water but I wish you good luck plan B okay ya set it with done plan B oh ya set it with no jibudo we are set another plan B unless we no ije mo maybe ni meje me set ije mo bye bye